Let's change the filter. Your HydroTap will warn you when the internal filter needs to be changed. This will be by a flashing light on your tap and a warning on the LCD that your filter needs to be changed. To change the filter, you'll need a new filter. A bucket, a cloth, and gloves are optional. On the screen, press Menu, System Settings, Water Treatment, Filter Settings, Filter Flush. The water will now be isolated. Next, open the filter door and pull out the filter flush hose. Place the cloth underneath the filter. This is to catch any water that drips from the filter and filter head. Place the filter flush hose into the bucket. Open the valve and let any water drain into the bucket. Grab and rotate the filter clockwise. You'll feel it stop and then drop. Remove the filter, being careful not to spill too much water. The use of gloves is suggested for this process. Get your new filter, remove the wrapping, and remove the dust cap. Be careful not to touch the O-rings on the filter. Fit the filter into the filter head and turn it to the right. You'll feel the filter lock into place. Place the filter flush hose into the bucket. On the screen, press Filter Flush. The filter flush process will now start. This process is timed to take 2 minutes to complete. Once complete, shake the filter flush hose into the bucket and turn the valve off. Refit the filter flush hose into the filter compartment and close the filter door. On the screen, press the back arrow, then reset filter. Press internal filter. This will reset the day and liter counter at the HydroTap. Press the back arrows to exit the screen. As easy as that, you've successfully changed your filter. For more helpful videos and information, visit our website today.